So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day. Very exciting day. Thank you to Charlene Cologne for uploading her Mr. Coffee video and giving me so much inspiration to get one myself. If you don't watch her videos, you should definitely go to Charlene's channel. She is funny. She is a mama of 3 boys, and I am convinced because of her video that I need this iced coffee machine that we're about to go pick up at Target. 5665 is our order code. Let's get this coffee machine. All right, so that wonderful young lady just dropped off my Mr. Coffee iced coffee. Thanks, Charlene. I can't wait to try it. But in Charlene's video, I believe this is the one she was trying. I should actually double check, but I think she said caramel macchiato. So we're gonna give that a shot. And this is the coffee that I've been using for the last 1.5 years. It's the New England Coffee Breakfast Blend. I just dropped Gianna off at her grandma's, and I'm heading into work with Mr. Coffee by my side. I'm low-key a little hyped because Mr. Coffee, like their Instagram, reposted my video of me and my excitement of getting this little coffee machine.
Sorry.
That's okay. How are those tacos?
I don't.
Gianna is we're having tacos tonight for dinner, and she has her headphones in. Oh yeah. She magically doesn't like things when she doesn't want to eat them. But here goes Mr. Coffee, and I'm about to unbox him. This is my little what would you call this? A coffee bar or like a coffee station? It's a little messy right now. I have a lot happening, but let me just take this off real quick. But I'm gonna make some space on here for the Mr. Coffee machine, and I am gonna unbox this bad boy. So it is currently 6:47, and I'm so excited that I think I'm gonna try and make an iced coffee tonight just because I can't compose myself. I feel like I'm gonna be a little kid on Christmas, waiting all night if I wait till tomorrow to try this. So I don't wanna do it. I just don't wanna do it. So let's unbox it.
Not at all. Peppers?
Wow. This is like a venti from Starbucks. I think. I don't know. Super pretty.
Pretty well.
Like, she's super pretty. Oh, maybe she could be like over here on this counter. What do you think?
Yeah.
Not on the coffee over there?
There's not one there. Put the plant back over there too.
Excuse me? I decided that the coffee machine is actually going to go on my kitchen countertop instead of my little coffee bar, because I have a lot going on there. So it's just gonna, ooh, it's brewing. It's brewing. This is so exciting. So happy Charlene found this, because I would have never found this guy. So excited. Oopsies. Ooh, I'm making a mess. First of all, let's do a taste test. Wow. Wow. It tastes like a Starbucks drink, it's crazy. Wow. I'm impressed. Holy crap. It's about a week later, or a little over a week, since I got my Mr. Coffee iced coffee machine. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much to Charlene for posting that video, because I'm so happy with that purchase. I look like a hot mess. Got out of work early today because we are having a winter snowstorm, but that's like normal here in Connecticut in the wintertime. So I'm working from home this afternoon, and I most likely will be working home from tomorrow. Just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I don't know why I gave you a little update on my life, my day, but don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.
Excuse me, I gotta go poop.
I'll catch you guys in the next video. Mom life. Bye.